Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix your connection is not private error in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. Now maximize this. Now once you are in your Chrome browser, you need to click on the three dots at the top right corner to customize and control Google Chrome. Scroll down and you'll find the settings option, the one with the girl-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Under privacy and security, you will find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on that. Now switch to the advanced. Now time range, you have to change that to all time. Then you have to make sure that all of the default selections are being selected. Then you have to click on delete data. Then still in the options on the left pane, you will find about Chrome. Click on that. And once you click on that, that will automatically update your Chrome browser. Now in my case, I have still a pending restart. That's why I have this error. But in your case, once you click about Chrome, that will make sure to update your Chrome browser. Then close this. Next method, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Or you can just make a right click at the Start button and select Run, then type ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Now here in the Network Connections window, you need to simply locate your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. Make a right click, select Properties. Here in the Properties window, you need to locate the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. And here you will find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type in here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4. So this is the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS. Click on OK. Click on close and then close this. And that's it. So that's how you can easily fix the issue, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.